Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's review, we're looking at the best iron twin bed on the market, the new Jeto metal bed frame. A 14-inch twin-size platform designed to bring strength, style, and storage all in one neat package. Let's start with the overall design. The new Jeto bed frame features a clean, modern aesthetic thanks to its sleek black powder-coated finish and carefully polished wrought iron structure. It's built with a minimalist approach that doesn't sacrifice sophistication. Whether your room style leans modern, industrial, or traditional, this frame is going to blend in effortlessly and actually elevate the space it's in. Measuring 74.5 inches long, 37.5 inches wide, and standing 14 inches high, this twin-size frame is ideal for small rooms, guest bedrooms, or dorms. But don't let the size fool you. The new Jeto is a powerhouse of support and durability. Built with upgraded metal rods and reinforced legs, this frame can handle up to 660 pounds of weight, easily supporting both your mattress and body weight without breaking a sweat. Under the hood, or in this case, under the mattress, is where this bed really shines. It uses a robust steel slat system that eliminates the need for a box spring. This means fewer parts, quicker assembly, and better airflow to your mattress, keeping things fresher for longer. And speaking of assembly, you'll be happy to hear it's a breeze. The frame ships in a single box, comes with all necessary tools, and can be fully assembled in under an hour even if you're doing it solo. Now, one of the most attractive features of this frame has to be the storage space. With 14 inches of height, you're getting plenty of clearance underneath to store bins, boxes, luggage, whatever you need tucked away but still easily accessible. It's the perfect solution for anyone trying to make the most out of limited space, and it's especially useful in apartments or shared rooms. The structure itself is incredibly quiet and stable. Thanks to the reinforced tubing and secure joints, you won't hear any of those annoying squeaks or feel unwanted movement when you turn over in bed. It's the kind of frame you can rely on night after night without worrying about wobbles or noise. In terms of versatility, the new Jeto twin metal bed frame can be used in practically any setting: your bedroom, a kid's room, guest space, college dorm, or even in hospitality setups like hostels or small inns. It's functional, stylish, and heavy-duty enough to hold up over time. The new Jeto twin-size bed frame brings excellent value for its price point. You're getting premium metal construction, ample under-bed storage, no need for a box spring, and easy assembly, all wrapped in a contemporary design. It does exactly what it promises: supports your mattress with quiet, stable strength while adding practical storage and style. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're on the lookout for a reliable, space-saving bed frame with modern looks and sturdy performance, the new Jeto twin bed frame is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews, right here on Product Critique. See you in the next one.